Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to deposit money from Venmo to Western Union in 2025. With the latest updates to these apps, transferring funds has never been easier or faster. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or just managing your finances across platforms, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Venmo account and a Western Union account set up. In 2025, most apps are integrated with biometric security, so ensure your accounts are verified with your fingerprint or facial ID for seamless transactions. Start by opening the Venmo app on your smartphone. You'll see your dashboard. Head over to the Transfer or Send Money section. Here, look for the option that says External Transfer or Link Bank. Next, if you haven't already, connect your Western Union account directly through Venmo. By 2025, many financial apps allow direct links for partnered services like Western Union, making this a one-tap process. If it's not directly available, select your linked bank account as an intermediary. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check for any fees. Remember, Western Union might charge a small processing fee, especially for international transfers, and confirm the transaction. Venmo's AI assistant might even pop up to verify details and suggest the best transfer times to avoid currency fluctuations. Once the funds are in your bank or directly in Western Union, open the Western Union app. Go to Deposit or Add Funds and select the source, your bank or the recent Venmo transfer. Enter any required details, like the recipient if it's for someone else, and hit Send. Boom, your money is on its way. The whole process should take just a few minutes, thanks to 2025's lightning-fast payment networks. A quick tip: always monitor your transaction status in both apps and keep an eye on exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies. If you run into any issues, both Venmo and Western Union have 24/7 chat support powered by AI. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this makes your money transfers stress-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.